Hi, I'm Yoon, and I'm from Korea, and I got a scholarship from Pierce College. And I will introduce the Korean food, Rabokki. Let's make it together. Firstly, I introduce ingredients. This is rice cake, and this is fish cake, cabbage, oligosaccharide, chili powder, and this is called gochujang, and ramen, fish cake, big fish cake, onion, soy sauce, sugar, ground pepper, chopped garlic, water, chopped onion, chop, 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 and chopped cabbage, chop, 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 chop fish cake, chop, chop, chop. Put water in the pot, and then put 2 spoons gochujang. 1, 2, and shaking. And then put 2 spoons soy sauce. Red pepper powder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shake it, shake it. Sugar powder. 1, 2, 3. Chopped garlic. 2 spoons. And little bit salt. Turn on the fire and wait. And put rice cake. And shake it. And put fish cake. Shake it. And then put onions and cabbage. Put ground pepper. Put oligosaccharide around. If you want more sweet, you can put more. And this is ramen. Ramen is very famous in Korea. Put flake. And then put ramen soup. Just control about amount of ramen soup as you want to put. Rabokki is really spicy and really sweet and delicious. Keep boiling. Finish. Originally, Rabokki is a different version of tteokbokki. If you take out ramen, it becomes tteokbokki. Thank you for watching video. Bye.